April 16th math time. So we're going to practice starting our two-digit addition. This one has regrouping. I can tell because there's 7 ones in 67 and there are 4 ones in 44. And I know that 7 plus 4 is more than 10. So I know this is a regrouping. We're going to start today with an open number line. And then we'll check our work with our place value. So why don't you start with your open number line? I like to start at 67 because it's bigger. Go ahead and pause this while you start at 67. Good job. I'm glad you're back. Okay, now it's time to check your work. So 44 is the same as 40 plus 4. So we can count by 10, 20, 30, 40 to get that, and then we'll count by ones. So here we go with our tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, and then we'll hop by ones, maybe. Let's see. Okay, 67 plus 10, 77. Plus 10, 87. Plus 10, 67, 77, 87, 97. Plus 10, 107. Are we done? Nope, we need to count the 4 ones. Wow, all right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, I'm going to go right to the end, aren't I? 107 plus 1. Is that going to fit right there? I'm going to put it right here. 108 plus 1. That's this one. And then here's this one. 109 plus 1. 110. And 110 plus 1. 111. Did we get the same answer? Is there a spot that you did it differently? How many of you saw 107 and did a hop of 3 because you knew 7 plus 3 makes 10? Good thinking. All right, tell T to check. 67 plus 44. Okay, do I have room? Yeah, I have room. Can you see it? Sorry. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 44. 10, 20, 30, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we're adding. The number's getting bigger. Here we go. What do we count first? The ones or the tens? That's right. 10, the ones. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Whoa. 11 cannot live in the ones column. Let's take 10 out because 11 is the same as 10 plus 1. So, no 10s. The 10 goes over here. Boom. And we only have 1 right there. That's a real number 1. That's not a 10 stick. Okay, let's count our 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Wait, 11 again? We can put 11 here because there's not another column of numbers. But if there were any hundreds living around here, we would have to take out 10. Sorry, my arm was in the way. 10 and move it over again. Crazy. So 7 plus 4 made 11. 11 is 10 plus 1. So the 1 goes here and the 10 goes here. And 6 plus 4 makes 10. Plus 1 more is 11. 111. Good job. Thanks for working on both the number line and place value. All right. The next one we're going to do is subtraction. Here we go. We're going to choose 42 take away 12. Now, the first thing we're going to do is start with a number line, and we're going to start with 42, but remember on a number line, the number line goes that direction. So the big number in subtraction is over here on your number line. Remember in the classroom, the big numbers, it went from left to right, and the bigger numbers were on the right. So 42, and we're going to take away 12. 12 is 10 plus 2. So first, we're going to take away 10. Oh man, counting backwards. So 42 take away 10. 42, 32. And now we're going to take away 2 more. 1, 2. 32 take away 1. 31 take away 1. 30. If counting up and down and taking away is hard for you, then here's where you need to practice. You need to practice with a crazy number, like ask your parents to give you a number like 57, and then count down by tens or count down by ones from 57. That will help you remember how numbers go. You can look at the 100 chart that you have in your first packet to give you some help with that. If we were to count by tens starting at 42, it would go 42, 32, 22. Or we could start with 87 and count down. 87, 77, 67, 57. So practice chanting those numbers up and down the number line by tens and by ones to help build your muscle memory. When we do a subtraction problem with a tall T, we write 42, take away 12, and we only build 42 because we don't want to build 12. We're taking away 12. So for our lucky day today, we're going to take away 2, and look, there is 2 there. So take away 2, and you get 0. Okay? And now we're going to take away 1. Take away 1. And how many do we have? 1, 2, 3. So your answer is 30. Okay. Boys and girls, that was almost 10 minutes of math today. So plus the time that you were supposed to take to practice and to do it. Remember, the open number line for subtraction goes backwards from what we're used to. Okay? Call me if you need help. And hopefully I will get a fun math activity ready for you. I keep finding different ones and I'm not sure where to post it or how long our videos should be. See you next time.